this video, we're talking about Aries, and out of all of the zodiac signs, which is the best when it comes to sexual relations? We're about to figure that out. That's coming right up. What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. And I am super nervous right now because my phone is about to lose space. I'm just trying to get this video done and over with. When paired with another Aries, two Aries have a very high self-respect. However, it can be damaging to their sex life if one becomes too selfish. Giving is receiving in order to make it work. When paired with Taurus, this pair love physical attraction. However, their end goals what sets them apart. With Tauruses, you need to be emotionally involved, while Aries can be happy with any sexual relationships. When paired with a Gemini, passion, creativity, curiosity, this pair knows what to do when it comes to sex. Geminis could be too playful, but Aries accepts it. When paired with a Cancer, Aries aren't very gentle. However, if things aren't forced and there's understanding between them, then things could get sensual and fun. When paired with a Leo, this pair is very compatible. They both have the same sexual preferences and they take each other very seriously. It's kind of hard to separate these two. When paired with a Virgo, this pair is a recipe for disaster. Virgos need time and patience, and Aries ain't have none of that. When paired with a Libra, when this pair gets very intimate, their urges is so strong. That can be a good thing, but if it's not handled properly, that can lead things and problems outside of the bedroom, and that is a no-go. When paired with a Scorpio, they have an unbreakable bond. Literally two sides of the same coin. Aries like things to be very straight and simple, and Scorpios like to take things, especially their sex life, very seriously and like to manipulate their way through into things. When paired with a Sagittarius, this pair makes sex fun. The connection between these two is real, like it's very difficult to pull them apart. When paired with a Capricorn, when it comes to sexual when it comes to sexual compatibility, this isn't the most ideal pair. They would most likely attack each other or keep at a very safe distance. When paired with an Aquarius, this pair can be very stressful or very exciting. Just hit my finger. Most of the time it's both. They both need to feel love, so working on emotion is the aspect and the key thing if they want to make it work. When paired with a Pisces, there's little to no peace with this pair. Aries stand for the instinctive sex, while Pisces stand for orgasms without the art. If you enjoyed this quick little factual video, I do have some other videos about horoscopes that you can check out. Link is in the description, so check it out. You might find something that's very interesting. Who knows? You might say, you know what? This looks very cool. I might try it out. And you should. However, I do request that you practice safe sex. People, practice safe sex. There's a lot of crazy shit going on.